Now, Stormwatch 12 weather on Newswatch 12.
Well, it's a beautiful day in Brookings. As you can see, we're looking out towards the west. A lot of sunshine, but way out in the distance, just a little bit of some haze. But other than that, looking very pleasant. And Brookings awfully warm, though, at 74 degrees. Humidity pretty low at 48%. But not everyone is beautiful along the Oregon coast. In fact, there's a little bit of some fog over by Gold Beach. Your visibility is at 5 miles. Everybody else looking pretty good. Out towards Lakeview, though, 2.5 mile visibility from haze in the area. Current temperatures throughout the region, 74 mild degrees in Brookings, 67 though in Medford, 71 right now in Montague, 50s and 60s except 72 east of the Cascades, and 72 in Lakeview, 58 though in Chemult. Now we do have a little bit of some smoke in the air, and we'll continue with that mostly west of the Cascades for the remainder part of the day. But once we go through tonight and into tomorrow, it'll start to filter in east of the Cascades and eventually making it into the Rogue Valley and parts of west of the Cascades as well. But we're not looking at a significant amount of smoke. It's just kind of one of those things you'll look out in the distance and kind of see that there might be a little bit of some smoke in the air, but that's really all we're going to be looking at for that. Now, in terms of our stormcast for the remainder part of the next couple of days, what we're going to be looking at is increasing low clouds along the Oregon coast for tonight and into tomorrow morning. And then once we go through the day, tomorrow afternoon, we'll be looking at those clouds really starting to thicken up. And then we'll see drizzle along the Oregon coast. And those clouds will get thick enough to where they produce that drizzle along the Oregon coast. And they'll stay that way for the next couple of days. In fact, here's our next system way offshore. Here's Sunday at 4:30. Still way offshore, but by the time we're getting towards Monday early morning, boy, that rain is right on our doorstep. In fact, it could be raining along the Oregon coast early on Monday morning, so plan for that if you're heading out the door early. Now, in terms of our planner for the remainder part of the day, a lot of sunshine. It's going to be another hot day today. In fact, it's going to be pretty hot for the game of the week for Willamette Crater. It's going to be in the low 80s by kickoff. By the time we're getting to halftime, still only into the mid 70s, so at least it'll be comfortable by then. But forecast highs for today, 75 out in Brookings, 90 for Grants Pass, 80 for Klamath Falls. Tonight we'll be into the 40s and 50s, 56 in Medford, 41 in Klamath Falls, 48 for Crater Lake. Today is going to be a good day to, if you need to do any kind of yard activities outside, like maybe mowing your lawn, raking your leaves. I kind of need to rake some leaves because they're kind of all over the place. But tomorrow is also going to be a good day for that. Sunday, kind of a borderline day. Monday, no, not really, unless you like raking leaves in the rain, but I don't know anybody that really likes to do that. But in terms of the Rogue Valley forecast, temperatures are going to stay above average through Sunday, Monday, and early next week, temperatures well below average into the 60s. Rainiest day for sure is going to be Monday and also into Tuesday as well. So here's your Oregon coast forecast. Slight chance of showers for Saturday. More rain once we get towards Sunday, and definitely by the time we get to Monday into Tuesday. For Northern California, we'll be into the mid 80s through Sunday and then drastically cooler 60s by the time we get towards Monday of next week. Klamath Basin, it's going to be pretty warm, right around 80 degrees. The wind picks up, though, on Sunday, and then a drastic change going from near 80 on Sunday to the 60s on Monday, 50s by Tuesday. And for the Cascades, 70s through Sunday, so again, pretty nice temperatures, even for up there, but much cooler, 50s, and then bordering on 50 degrees by Tuesday. And here in the Rogue Valley, today will be the hottest day of the next several days. Hopefully this is the last 90-degree day that we'll be seeing for the year, but I'm not going to go out on a limb and say that just yet. But by the time we get Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be looking much different. 60s, rain. We need the rain.
Thank you, Oliver. I'm excited for a little bit of that warmth today and then some rain next week, but I need that perfect 70-degree weather.
Yeah, it's going to come, but not yet. Not quite yet.
Not yet. It's not the way. All right. Thank you, Oliver. Appreciate it. And on